Junior Suite at the Monaco Hotel, Grand Canal. Nice spacious room. 3 windows, television, little sitting area, queen size bed, workstation, and place to store your luggage. A spectacular, roomy junior suite at the Monaco Hotel. Closet with umbrella for those rainy days. Place to leave your shoes. In-room safe. Mini bar. But why would you want to drink in the room when you can be out experiencing Venice? Spacious closet for your clothes and robes for after you shower. This is room 208, Junior Suite, Monaco Hotel, Grand Canal. Marble bathroom, full bath, heated towel racks, hair dryer, toiletries, slippers, and stall shower. Everything is very spacious. This is a deluxe property right in the heart of Venice.